It's just my note. This is my host booting proof. It's Grenades7a, whatever it is. Here's me. Got hit offline. I was getting hit at the beginning of the map. I knew he booted, and he's like 700 LG rank. Got hit offline, so I just left the game, and then I got disconnected. Haven't even played the second map yet. Trying to get back in. I can't connect. 1 second. I'm gonna restart my router. And there we go. Alright. And that's turning back on. See how the lights are just blinking like crazy. Should have a new IP now though. Give it a minute. Still can't connect. Let me just restart my Xbox. Alright. Should work now. Should be able to get back online. This is really just sad. I knew he hit before the game. I asked him to cancel, but I mean, of course he's gonna just deny it. Can I get back online? I think so. I got a new IP. Alright. Oh man, he's messaging. Look, he's been messaging me, telling me I forfeit when he knows I'm not online, man. Look at this. 3 mins. 1 min. Look, I was in his game, I mean. It's whatever. Watching a film. This kid's a joke. Grenades is host booter. I hope he gets banned. Thanks, community and admin.